all you cool cats and kittens. It's me, Carol Baskin here at the Big Cat.
Goddamn Carol Baskin sprayed all
Haven't been outside in a minute. Oh, wow. Don't go outside, it's broken. Warning, if you have arachnophobia, eyeball rollophobia, creepy phobia, I would suggest that you do not watch the video that I'm going to play right now. But basically I wanted to play a game where if somebody watched it and they didn't react at all, they get $5. 5 didgeridoos. Because we have nothing better to do and nobody's here.
What do you think, Suzanne?
I don't have a mom anymore. We're gonna go around and show everybody. If they don't react, they get $5. But I feel like that's not gonna happen because it's creepy as f. I'm gonna show you a video. If you don't freak out, you get $5.
I don't like that. Oh, I don't like that.
It's not even.
Oh.
No.
I don't think you get $5.
$5.
Nothing at all.
No, you can keep your money, Yakaboo.
Oh, thank you. Okay, he didn't react at all. Wow.
I just love money.
Nothing?
It's not like legit. If it was legit, it would be super creepy.
If that was legit, you should call the military.
I was fully expecting like a lump in a leg and somebody and a
Ew.
whole bunch of
Ew!
that
Ew, Angel!
I would react
Angel, no!
to.
Really? Really?
I'm trying not to. I'm not trying. I'm not reacting. Did I win?
You did.
Oh, that was the hardest thing I've ever had to do.
This will pay for the trauma.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Nothing?
No, I watch videos like that all the time.
Clearly we're in the wrong department.
Thanks. I actually do get $5.
Yeah.
We're going to the convenience store so I can get a soda.
And you have to go through the drive-through gas station. I'll have some gas. He goes, let me grab the pump for you. Billy. It won't reach.
Oh, we got the White Claws, bro! Ain't no law when you're ringing
I didn't know they made Coca-Cola Tall Boys. Tall Boys? Yeah, that's what it's called. It's a tall boy.
This one's called the Tall Boy.
I am broke as shit. I refuse to wear a suit. I will not change the way I dress. I've had some kinky sex, and I've got a judgment against me for some bitch down in Florida. Vote for me.
You have a fake, like...
Yeah, I do.
Ooh, get me one, get me one. Is it on there? Can you see it? Alright, now I know y'all are wondering what Joe Exotic's refrigerator looks like.
Where's your Bud Light?
Man, I feel like he doesn't drink Bud Light. What do you think Joe Exotic drinks?
Meth?
Here we got some meat off the Walmart truck, just like, you know, how you saw in the docuseries. We got the meat off the Walmart truck. We don't really got a lot of fresh food around here. We get it all off the Walmart truck, so. We got a lot of frozen food, though. You know, they returned a lot of frozen food at Walmart, and we feed a lot of this to the animals.
It's that bitch Carol Baskin.
And her husband!
You know, every time I eat nuggets, it reminds me of Travis Maldonado. With them golden nuggets. That boy put them...
How much salt did you put on those?
It's all the salt from you, Carol.
Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. It's me, Carol Baskin here at the Big Cat.
Goddamn Carol Baskin sprayed all
Where's my other hat?
Would you stop dry humping the horse?
I'm riding my horse.
Jessica, you've had too many wines.
Yeah.
Flower crown. I haven't even had a glass yet.
Thanks for joining the vlog today. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, do all of that stuff. Hit us up on Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, everything. Make sure you stick around for more vlogs. Have a good one, guys. We hope to see you on the next vlog. Bye!
Always use sardine oil, but you didn't hear from me.